Hi, friends. It's time for small groups, and we are going to be talking about shapes today. We're playing a shape game, and we are going to match shapes. So, do you see me down here? I'll be in the little box, but you'll be paying attention to my screen, okay? So, we're going to start our shape matching game. Which one is circle? Is that a circle? That's a square, triangle, circle. Which one? This one? This one? This one. Let's see. Triangle has three sides. One, two, three. One, two, three. Circle goes around and around. Does this one go around and around? No, that has three sides. Does this one go around and around? That has one, two, three, four sides. This one go around and around? This one? No, that's a circle. This one? Triangle. This one? Square. Which one, friends? Point to it. This one? Oval. No, that's a heart. This one? Point to it. Is this it? This one? That's a star. This one? This? No, that's a triangle. This diamond. Let's see. Can you touch the crescent? Crescent shaped like a moon. Yes, very good. Friends, and we're done. So we went over shapes. We went over, let me make my screen big. So we went over shapes. We played a shape matching game. We reviewed a circle. A circle goes around and around. A square has four sides that are the same. A rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. And a triangle has three sides. So I'm going to draw the shapes and you tell me what they are, okay? Which one is that? A triangle has one, two, three sides. Now, what is this? Two long sides, two short sides. What is that? A rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. What's this one? That's a square. A square has four sides that are the same. One, two, three, four. And what's this? A circle. A circle goes around and around. Very good, friends. Kiss your brain and keep finding those shapes around your house. Can you find a triangle, a rectangle, a square, and a circle in your house? All right, I hope that you go on a scavenger hunt and find four shapes: a rectangle, a square, a circle, a triangle. Let me show you again. A rectangle, a square, a circle, and a triangle. All right, friends, I'll see you later. Bye.